Hello, I thought I'd take a few minutes just to explain what you need to do with the annotated CPD record. A Fellow of the Higher Education Academy is expected to continually engage in professional development, and Fellows are expected to be able to demonstrate evidence of that engagement. It's quite straightforward really, it's just a matter of making statements to explain what you've done and to indicate how what you have done maps to the UK Professional Standards Framework. So that's really what we're doing here with the annotated CPD. We've got a rubric or a grid or a table if you like that allows you just to explain what you've done and demonstrate, tick or indicate where that meets the expectations as described in the UK Professional Standards Framework. So let's just look at a filled-in version of an annotated CPD record, and we'll just go through the various parts of this form and you'll see that actually it's really quite simple. So along the top there are the descriptors from the UK Professional Standards Framework, the areas of activity, the dimensions of core knowledge, and then at the end there the professional values. So you should be becoming familiar with all of these aspects of the UK Professional Standards Framework. Okay, let's look at another part of the form now, and the left hand column of the form where you actually type in or write in the things that you have done. And here we have some examples from a previous candidate, and you can see you don't write a huge amount, you just say what it is you do and a little bit more about why that's relevant as an item in this particular record of CPD. Fairly straightforward, no big deal. And then of course we have the grid or the matrix. If we look across the grid now, we can see that there are ticks under several of the dimensions in the UK Professional Standards Framework. And that's essentially all you need to do. Explain what you've done and explain how that connects to the specification as described in the UK Professional Standards Framework. Quite simple really.